Alright, hello YouTube, it's Faceless Man here, and in today's video I'm just going to show you my portfolio, explain how I view things, and show you what my returns are at the end of the year through dividends. Alright, so to start off, I want to talk about this part of the portfolio. Now, this is my equity. I don't care what it is. I just invest what I invest monthly, and that's it. I don't care how much it's been down, how much it's been up. I really don't care. I have 4 stocks, and what I care about with these stocks is how much they pay a dividend in. Now, Apple is the one that pays the least amount of dividends, but it is a growth stock as well. So, Apple is just a company that you just can't pass off. It's good for the future, and it has a lot of potential. It's growing its dividend, so it's good. It's going towards the right path. And Apple's just a company, again, like I said, you cannot pass off on. So, as you see right here, I have 4 companies, which is AT&T. I have 50 shares, Coca-Cola, 48 shares, Realty Income, 32 shares, Apple, only 7 shares. Now, as you see, the cheaper the stock is, the higher the shares I have. Why is that? Because I want to maximize my return. Out of all these 4, T-Mobile pays the best amount of dividends, then Realty Income, then Coca-Cola, then Apple. I'm going to show you how much I make from each one of these stocks and how much I make at the end of the year. So let's start off. All right. So AT&T, with these 50 shares, they pay me $26 per quarter. Now, that means it's every 3 months. And at the end of the year, I get $104. And that is my dividends payout for the 3 months and for the year for AT&T for these 50 shares. Now I'm going to jump to Coca-Cola. For 48 shares, I get $19 and 68 cents. That's also per quarter. At the end of the year, I get $78 and 72 cents. All right. So, now Realty Income. I have 32 shares. For this, I get $7.36. But this is per month. So this is every month. This is every 3 months. This is what a realty company does. It pays monthly dividends. So I have this because I get a return quicker. So I get this every month. At the end of the year, I get $88 and 32 cents. That is per year. Now from Apple, for these 7 shares, I get $1.40. And that's every quarter as well. So that's every 3 months. So for this, I get at the end of the year $5.60 per year. Now, Apple does have a very low dividend, but my main focus is growth here. I do care about the dividend, but I care a lot about growth too because Apple is just a huge potential growth stock, as well as Tesla and stuff like that. So at the end of the year, all of this pays me $276 with 64 cents. That's per year. All right. So let's say I get this year, right? Or next year, let's say, a bigger thing. If I get this next year, at the end, all of these stocks are growth dividends. So that means that they grow their dividends every year, either probably by a cent or 2, but they increase their dividends every year. So to quickly show, um, So with this $5.60, I have the DRIP program, which means I reinvested. So all of this money goes back to Apple and it buys fractional shares. So again, it's not a lot, but it's slowly going to build up. Um, as you see here, it's bigger here. So for Realty Income, the stock price is at $60, and I'm getting $80, which means it's going to buy one share per year. Um, Same thing with Coca-Cola. I'm making $78.72, which is going to get reinvested. Let's say if the price is similar, I'm going to get one share. Right here, it's a $104 return. So most likely, I'll be getting about 3 to 4 shares. So again, after I get these 3 or 4 shares every year, the dividend is going to keep increasing because I'm going to keep adding shares. So this is what compound interest is. I'm increasing the price in dividends so I can reinvest it and get more return for the end of the year. Now, that is something that I follow because I've day traded and swing trade, and at the end, I do make more money in dividends. Um, in the short term, I do make good money in swing trading and day trading. I make a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there, a couple $1,000 a month, and stuff like that, and it all adds up. But at the end, like let's say in 10 years, the compound interest is going to pay me much more than a swing or a day trade. And that's just from personal experience. I mean, I feel like I'm a good day trader and a good swing trader, but having stocks like Realty Income and Coca-Cola have made me so much money in these last, what has it been, 11 years since the last recession. That's when I started investing. Um, so yeah, I know I've seen a lot of videos out there where they tell you, hey, trade options, do this swing trade, do this, buy this stock, it's going to grow quickly and stuff like that. And people actually end up losing money because they don't have experience. I don't recommend you guys getting that information out there because, I mean, these videos have hits, they have a lot of views, and that's just showing that a lot of people do fail because of it. Too many people come to me constantly sending me messages saying, hey, I was doing what this YouTuber told me, but I ended up losing. How did they make money? I'm like, because they have a system, they have experience, and they set up a system for themselves where they can make their little money here and there. But you don't because you're following something that is not you. If you're an investor, I recommend you guys going this method. Eventually jumping into stocks like Tesla or maybe NIO. I don't like this stock, by the way. I'll explain right now. Um, so, again, investing in dividend stocks is the best way to go because you can also swing trade these stocks. But if you don't catch a good swing trade, then it's okay to keep it because at the end, you're going to get a great dividend payout for it. So, that's just one way I want you guys to look at it. So that is pretty much my returns, guys. I get great returns on that. And again, I reinvest everything, which if you do reinvest all those dividends back into the shares, then you get deducted in your taxes. It helps out. So it's a good way to go. Um, Now, one thing before I end the video, I want to talk about these two stocks. NIO is being compared a lot to Tesla right now. And NIO is nothing close to Tesla. Just letting you guys know, doing a differentiation there. Tesla is a great company. They've built a great company. Elon Musk has. NIO is not a good company yet. It has potential, of course. And the reason they have a lot of money is because a lot of people have invested in it. But it can fail. So understand that. This stock is just hype right now. They have no real worth right now, as you can say. I don't trust China and their companies because they do manipulate their income a lot. They manipulate numbers and it's just crazy. So I don't trust them yet. NIO can either be the one of the best things, which can be the new Apple or Tesla, which I doubt, or it can be the worst thing and a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. So if you want to swing trade this stock, go for it. But Is it a future growth stock? I honestly don't think it's going to be. It's getting too much hype, and it hasn't shown anything where it deserves that hype. It just doesn't. Their cars are not good looking, their products aren't that great. And again, as you see news here, can it catch Tesla by 2025? Hell no, it can't. Tesla is just in another level right now. Now, should you buy into Tesla? I wouldn't buy into it because it's at a really high price right now. It's really, really, really high. Um, for me, the way I see it is like it's about $500. I would rather buy 10 stocks of Coca Cola or what is it, 20 stocks of um, AT&T, and I get a good dividend return on that. But Tesla, is it a bad stock? No, it's not. It has so much potential. By the 21st of December, this stock is going to be entered into the S&P 500, which is going to blow up. It already blew up a bit, but it's going to keep going higher. It can go up to Amazon and Google levels. It really can. Because once it enters the S&P 500, a lot of, funds are going to jump into it. Um, it's a good potential stock, guys. It still has potential. It's a high price, but you can make a good return out of Tesla. If you're planning on keeping it long term, then go for it. If this is your type of stock, then go for it. For me, it's not my type of stock. I don't recommend it because, again, I would rather do much different things with this amount of money. But again, by the end of this year, this stock is going to be above, I would say, 525, and it's going to stay there. Once it hits a 500 mark, I know it did today, but once it goes into the S&P 500, it's going to have a solid $500 mark. It's not going to be overvalued. I know that it gets overvalued by some of the people. It says its fair value is 319. It's not fair value. It's fair value. It's about 500. So it is a very valuable company. Tesla is a really good company. They do so many great things, and they're just a really, really great company. But again, it's not my thing. If it is your thing, if you have the money to invest in it, I would say go for it. Because in about a year, it's probably going to be hitting the $600 mark. It could be hitting up to 650. It's hard to say. It depends how the economy goes. But Tesla has so much potential, and they are going to achieve a lot of those goals because they are a great company. Elon Musk, you like him or hate him, he is a great guy. He knows what he's doing. He's a great business guy. So, again, your choice with Tesla. I don't recommend you guys listening to other people's information where they say, buy into it now. No, if it is your thing, then go for it. If it isn't, then don't go for it. Set up your own system. Don't listen to other people. You need to find your own method of investing, and you have to go for that. Yeah, guys, that's my information for now. I know this video went on a little too long, but um, that's all I have to say today. If you guys liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave down a comment in the section down below. If you guys have some stock recommendations that I haven't looked at, if you have companies that you guys feel like they're good, let me know in the comments down below. I am really interested in listening to that. Um, I hope this helped, guys. If it did, then please, again, like it, share it, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Um, if you want to just start off with investing with low budget and a small system, let me know, guys. I will personally help you. If you want to say, hey, I want to invest $100, what can I invest on? I'll let you know what to invest on. I'm not like a professional, financial advisor, but I do have 12 years of experience in my belt, and I've learned many different methods. So again, shoot me up a message if you want to know more. If you want one-on-one time, I'm willing and free and open to help you guys out. So again, thank you for everything, and I will see you next time. So peace out.